You don't start to cook for your small age.
And once I cook my own food, no be that watery pap they go just pour for my mouth.
Alright everyone, now in today's video I'm going to be showing us how we can create viral baby videos just like the one you just saw, and you can create them and post them on different social media platforms. So the first thing you need to do is describe to ChatGPT what you want in the video and tell it to use it and create a proper prompt you can copy and paste on View 3. That is it, and then you'll see the magic happen. Alright, so I've already written something, so I just have to paste it. I'll paste it. Alright, so I said create a video prompt for View 3. Alright, okay, so I said create a copy and paste video prompt for View 3. Alright, of a dialogue in an. So that is the reason I put this copy and paste, so that you can create the prompt I can just copy and paste on View 3. There is no need of stressing yourself. Alright, so I'll send it. Now, this is what it gave us. Alright, this is what it gave us. So we can copy it like that and then paste. Okay, so let's see what we are going to get when we copy, just the way it is. We copy and I go to Google Apps. Alright, and then we'll come in here and then we paste. Okay, send it. Let's wait for the result. So I'm going to pause the video. Once the result is out, then we'll look at it. Alright, so after the video came out, this is what it gave us.
Why did you get into cooking at such a young age?
I want to be able to make my own food, not some watery pap that they will force into my mouth.
Why did you get into...
Now, this is good, but personally, I don't like it because it really don't resonate with exactly what I want. So what I'll do is I go back to ChatGPT. So what I say is, this is good. Make it in a Nigerian language and setting. So I'll put it. So let's see what it gives me. Alright, now let's now copy this and see what it gives us. So guys, this is how you get better at prompting, and then you get better at creating videos with AI. If you are waiting and saying, maybe you can't start, you don't know how to do it, you will never know it. But when you start, you begin to do it, you begin to gain the experience. All right, so let's go and paste it and see what it gives us. Okay, it has started, so I'm going to pause this video. When it's done, I'll come back. All right, everyone, my video just finished rendering, and then let me play it and see what we have.
Why don't start to cook for your small age?
And once I cook my own food, no be that watery pap they go just pour for my mouth.
Why don't start?
Now, this is what I'm talking about. So what I'll just do is to download it, and that's all. You are done. Just download and upload to your social media page. If you need the template, it will be in a Google Doc under this particular video. If you want to learn how to be creating this kind of AI videos, you can join the AI Academy today. Click the Learn More button below and join AI Academy. It's an academy and you are going to get a lifetime access. You don't need to pay for updates. So updates will be coming on the particular academy. So you learn to learn different ways of using AI tools to boost your business, earn passive income, and grow your influence. If you are interested, click the Learn More button to get access. Thank you.